Hi, this is Michael and welcome to H&M Limousine. Today we'll be doing an unboxing and a review on the Hulkman 32,000 milliamp hour, 4,000 peak amp, 10 liter maximum engine capacity or 10 liter maximum diesel capacity. Jump starter, Alpha 100. Let's get into it. Hey, here's what you get. Just box up. Okay. Cool how they have that. Okay, Hulkman jump starter. Okay. Put that over here. Check it out a little bit. You get the directions, your little instruction booklet. Little stickers, you can stick on your toolbox, whatever you need to do. Okay. And here is the actual, wow, this is very heavy. Here's the unit. Here's the Hulkman 10.0 or Hulkman 100 Alpha it's called. Jump starter. This will jumpstart up to 10 liter gasoline engine or up to 10 liter diesel engine. Has a nice little flashlight on there. Let's see what we got. Let's put this to the side for a second. There's one light, two. I believe they said this one was 600 lumen, I believe. They have the red emergency lights in case you're stuck on the side of the highway. They have the extra bright, really bright, the SOS, another SOS level, and the red like I said before. So, here's the actual unit. And the good thing is on this unit it actually shows exactly how to use it on the back. So if you're stuck on the side of the road, all you have to do is just look on the back here. You just put the cables on, you put them on the battery, wait for the screen to say ready, and start your car. That's it. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3, literally. Okay. In the front you have a little port here for your jumper cables. And in the back you have a USB fast charge, USB Type C, and the 12 volt output in the back there. Let's see what else we got in here. Second level. So, hit the road now. That's pretty cool. Hit the road now, it tells you. Right here, this wall plug, it's a game changer. I believe it's a 65 watt charger, and it will charge your unit from 0 to 100 in a little less than an hour and a half, I believe they say. But this is the actual Hulkman block plug, 65 watt. Okay, see what we got here. What you would do is you'd plug it into the back. I'm going to show you step by step. Plug it into the back there, into the USB-C. And obviously this part would go into the wall. And here, you have 100%. You have an LCD screen here. I believe it's a 3.3 inch LCD screen. Right here it displays some good information on there for you. It did not come 100%. I charged this up for about 20 minutes. It came, I think it was 72% when it came. It took about 15 to 20 minutes to get it to 100. But yeah, if this was on 0, and to get to 100, it's about an hour and a half, they say, with the big block, the 65 watt plug. Okay. All right. Let's see what else we get. Here you get your cigarette lighter. This is the power out. In case you want to use this as a power bank as well, you plug this right on the side here, like so, and you have a little power plug. If you want to, cell phones, cameras you could charge, laptops, just about anything. We shut this off to conserve a little power. Just hold the button for 1 or 2 seconds and it goes off. Okay, this is for the power bank. Okay. It also comes with a USB-C and a USB, the wiring. Again, you could plug anything you want with this, laptops, cell phones, cameras. Use your imagination, you could use anything with this. Okay, and here are the beefy, beautiful, heavy-duty clamps. It actually has a little stopper in there to grip onto. But here's the Hulkman copper plugs. Very heavy-duty, very. I mean, these are the real deal, guys. Okay, and what you would do for these is flip the unit over, open it up here, and there's only one way this will go in. It's kind of, what do you call it? The dummy proof, they call it. And I'm a dummy. So, okay, where's it? Here it is. Plug it right in. And now we have the unit connected. And plug these onto your battery to get a good jump start. Okay. And with these guys, if you want to save power with these, as soon as you jump start your car, they immediately shut the car, shut the unit off. The minute your car starts up after you jump start it with these, shut the unit off and take the cables off. This way you save power. A lot of people I've noticed, they jump start their car, they put this on the battery, they start the car, they rev up the engine, they keep revving it up, like thinking this thing's going to give more power, but it's not. All it does is it decreases the energy of this, and the power goes way down, and then you have to recharge it, even longer. So yeah, as soon as you jump start your car, come back to this machine and shut it off. Sometimes your battery will be so dead with no juice in it that this will not pick up that your battery has no power. So in order for you to bypass that mode, you would turn the screen on, obviously, and then you would hold these two buttons both at the same time, and now it says ready here. That's a security feature. That bypasses the security feature, and it will jumpstart a completely dead battery. Right? But this has to say ready in order for the cables to put out power. Okay? Some batteries have a little power in it. I think it's up to about 9 volts or so, and this will work fine without bypassing that security feature by pushing both buttons. But if there's no juice in the battery, like I said, this will not pick up that there's a battery there because there's no juice in it. So you have to hold these two yellow buttons down at the same time, like I said, for about 2 seconds, and the ready sign will, oops, hang on, push them both at the same time. There we go, it says ready. See? Perfect. And there's the light as well. Okay. And this actually will work in, I believe they said negative 40 degrees. This will work up to negative 40 degrees. So if it's in your car, it's really cold outside, your battery's dead, you go in the trunk, and this is ice cold, it'll still work up to negative 40 degrees. Pretty amazing if you ask me. Alright, see what else we got here. You get cables are very, very nice though. They're the real deal. They're no chintzy cables, like I said. You know, these cables have real copper, the alligator clip style. They grab on very nicely. The wires are really thick. I'm not sure if it's hard to tell what the gauge wire is. I really can't see it on here, but yeah, it's pretty impressive if you ask me. For something that was $349, I believe this unit was. You know, there's one thing you might want to keep the box that it came in, because for whatever reason Hulkman did not offer a box with it. It doesn't come with a box, a bag, nothing. It just comes all by itself here. So what you want to do is keep the box it came in, or you could order a box online. You know, one of the carrying cases. For whatever reason, I don't know why they didn't, you know, put a box in for people. I mean, for something that costs $349, you would think they would put a box in. But it is what it is, you know. I'm going to shut this off. Okay. Tell you a couple features. Like I mentioned, the ports back here. The Type-C USB cable out over here, right there. You have a 65-watt wall charger, like I showed you before. This is the big block plug wall charger. Very nice. Comes with the cigarette lighter for power out. You plug your cigarette lighter into this. This goes right over here. Pretty neat. Okay. USB-C and a USB wire. You know, for your computer, you could charge a laptop, cell phone, camera, whatever you like. Okay. Okay, let's see what features are on here. Got quite a few little features on here. Let's see what we have. Okay, there's a 10 smart protection. You have reverse charge protection, reverse polarity protection. So if the cables are on the wrong terminal, this will not let power out. It will not jumpstart your car. It'll let out an error code. I believe there's 4 different error messages that will come on the screen here, and it will tell you on the back of the unit what the error code is on the legend right here, so you know exactly what it is and you can rectify the problem. Okay, excuse me, but it has what is it? It's OW software protection, it's over current protection, over voltage protection, over load protection, over charge protection, short circuit protection, high temperature protection, low temperature protection. It's a 32,000 milliamp battery. What else we got here? The DC out is 15 volt, 10 amp max. It's 150 watt max. The USB 1 out. The USB out 1 is 5 volt, 2.4 amps. The USB out 2 is 3.0, 18 watt. What else we got here? 3 amp, 9 volt. Believe this is designed in the USA, made in China, like many things are. It's got an 18-month battery life, so if you don't use this in the back of your car, this should hold a charge for about 18 months, which is pretty remarkable. It's at like 0% chance to spark, which means when the cables are hooked up and you touch these together, there's no arc, it won't spark because of the protection that it has built in, which is very, very cool. Yeah. So this actually will like sense that if it's ice cold outside, like I said, like I think it's up to -40 degrees, This will actually turn on internally inside and keep it warm so you could use it, which is pretty cool. Okay, what else we got here? Alright. I don't want to forget to tell you guys anything. Bear with me 1 second here. I told you about the preheating technology. I told you about the speed charging with the 65 watt big block wall plug. I mean, you could like charge this unit on a computer or something like that with the USB, but I don't recommend that. It'll take a very long time. You're just better off with the big block, the wall plug, the 65 watt. You're better off with this. This is the best way to do it, the quickest way. 0 to 100 in about an hour and a half, a little bit under that, which is amazing. Right. Yeah, so this is the review for the Hulkman 10.0 Jump Starter Alpha 100. It will jumpstart up to 10-liter gasoline engine, 10-liter diesel engine. It's a very, very powerful unit. And again, it has the instructions on the back of the unit, so there's no fumbling around with the directions outside in the cold weather or snow. You put the cables on the battery, positive and negative. You start the car, you're done. And a little quick tip, as soon as your car starts up, after you jump it, come back to this unit and shut it off. Take the clamps off, you're done, put it away. And you probably always want to top it off by charging it up. I mean, even if it's like 91%, you know, I mean, you don't have to, but I mean, after you use it a couple times, I would charge it up, you know, just to keep it all topped off in case an emergency happens. Again, let's check out the light here. That's a bright light. It's a really bright light. I think it's 600 lumens. That's the SOS mode. And that's the emergency mode, I believe. You know, in case you're on the side of the road and there's cars coming really close to you, you could set this up so they see it for your protection. So, alright. So that is our unboxing and review on the Hulkman 10.0. I am Michael with H&M Limousine, signing off. Have a great day, everybody. Happy New Year.